Hey guys, good morning. So right now it's 7:17 after school in 15 minutes by 7:35, and I know I can't say if I slept or didn't slept, because I slept at 11, like exact 11, and then I started waking up every hour. Like after every hour I started waking up like 1:45. I slept and then I woke up at 2:45, and then at 4 o'clock, and then straight away 6, and I had the most insane lucid dream of all. Like it was so insane. It was only for 1 hour, but it felt like it was for 4-5 hours. And yeah, right now I'm outside. I need to wear my mask. That's it. But it doesn't seem that I'm late. I have no reason why it seems I'm late. I mean, I am early. Uncle is not there. So, okay, I'm gonna continue this vlog inside. So I'll see you. Guys, so I straight away came to the art room to set the table and chairs. Oh, shit. So many guitars over here. Look at this. Look at the piano. I think this is my favorite room in the entire school. Can't breathe. New guitar also. Anyway, I'll just set this up. So I'll continue. Okay, so I set the stuff up. I know it's too organized. Like literally. So four chains for the people are doing it. Here the guy who's comparing and all, so the laptop now is going to be there. And I just opened my laptop because my lyrics and all is in this only. Luckily I brought my charger. I knew that something would go wrong. Okay, so it's opening. That's a good thing. Huh? You might be in class. Okay, just send him take the laptop and come. Come here. I'm not showing anyone else, but love the guitars, love the colors, vibrant. Man, I miss this room. I seriously miss this room. Or Raj used to have it now, yeah. And it's going good, right? Transcript? Yeah. Which one? When it's just like this. Yeah. You're my perfect.